Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, what to do if YouTube trending options not showing? So, open the YouTube app on your device. Now, at the top left corner, tap here, and you will see that the trending option is not showing here. To solve this problem, open the Play Store app on your device. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search option and search for YouTube. Now, tap on update it and wait for it to update. Now, go back to the home page, tap on YouTube for few seconds. Now, tap here, click on the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage and tap on delete. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.